Hello friends, all of you, very good morning. Today I discussed Indian Constitution, different sources of Indian Constitution, article, part, amendment and schedule. This is the article, present time, article and sub-article 480 and more, total part 25, amendment 105 and schedule 12. The source of Indian Constitution, subject and borrow from which country. At first, everybody like and subscribe my video. I discussed the subject and taken from which country. Judicial review taken from USA. Independence of judicial system, USA. President as the executive taken from USA. Preamble taken from USA. This is called the gate of Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights taken from USA. Impeachment taken from USA. Removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges taken from USA. And the idea of written of Indian Constitution, USA. This is the most important subject who is taken USA. And next, the important subject, law making procedure taken from Britain, UK. Rule of law taken from UK. CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Britain. Parliamentary system of government taken from Britain. Post of the Prime Minister taken from Britain. Bicameral legislature taken from Britain. And single citizenship taken from Britain. And next, discussed the important part, DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy taken from Ireland. This is the very important three principle: Gandhian principle, liberal principle and sovereign principle. Method of presidential election taken from Ireland. Nomination of members to Rajya Sabha by the President, Ireland. This is the very important subject of DPSP, method of presidential election, nomination of member to Rajya Sabha by the President, and Ireland, taken from Ireland. And next I discuss Federation of Strong Center, Federation with Strong Center, Canada. Distribution of power between center and states. This is the union list and state list, which subject taken 161. This is the subject, union list 100 subject and state list 61 subject taken from Canada. Provision of emergency taken from Germany and suspension of fundamental right during emergency, Germany. This is the very important article 352, 356, 360. 352, the article refers emergency of national policy. National emergency, this is national emergency. 356, state emergency. This is the president rule of India. And next, article 360, financial emergency. And next, fundamental duties taken from Soviet Russia. 5-year plan taken from Soviet Russia, and this is introduced 1951. And next, I discuss concurrent list taken from Australia, and this is the subject 52 subject list the concurrent list 52. And amendment procedure of the Indian Constitution taken from South Africa. Republic, liberty, equality and fraternity taken from French Constitution. This is the very important part, and I discuss 25 parts. First part, union and its territory. Second part, citizenship. Third part, fundamental rights. 3, fundamental rights. Part 4, DPSP. Part 4A, fundamental duties. Part 5th, the union. Part 6, the states. Part 7th, the states in part B. The first schedule, article 238. Part 8, union territories, article 239, 240, 241. Part 9, Panchayat. Part 9A, municipalities. Part 10, the schedule and tribal areas. Part 11, relation between union and states. Part 12, finance, poverty, contract and suits. Part 13, trade, commerce and intercourse with the territory of India. Part 12, 13, 14th, very important, and also 14th, services under the union and states. Part 5th A, 15th A, Part 15th A and 14th, tribunals, article 323A and 323B. 14th A, Part 14th A, 15th, election. 16th, 17th, official language. 18th, emergency provision, article 352, 356, 360. And part 19th, miscellaneous, article 351, 361, 361A, 361B, 362, like as. Part 20, amendment of the Constitution, article 368. This is the very important article. Part 20, first, temporary transitional and special provision. And last part, the part 12, part 22, short title, commencement authority text in Hindi and refills, article 393 to 394 and 394A, 395. This is the total part of Indian Constitution. Okay student, write down and screenshot these videos and like and subscribe my videos for next video. I am MD Murshid Ali. Bye bye.